Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And today I'm so excited to be featuring a brand that I haven't had on here for a hot minute. And this is its packaging, and it's a mystery box that they come out with every month. The brand is Kokie Cosmetics. Okay, so it comes all bundled up in that festival bag, and I'm gonna take a little blade here. I wouldn't recommend it. But just be really gentle if you're going to use a blade to open things. And in no particular order. Oh, okay. So it comes in this little package. I like that it comes in the bubble wrap. Better safe than sorry. And then it's also like this. What? Let's see what's inside. Okay. First thing I have in here. This looks like a eyeshadow. I could be wrong. This is called Crystal Fusion Liquid Eyeshadow. I love the packaging. It is plastic. It's not, but it looks so luxe, right? And of course, the first thing that happens is you get fingerprints on there, but that's all right. And I love to shake it. And that's the applicator. And I'm just gonna apply it here. It looks pretty. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Like. And it has like a paint smell. It doesn't have a perfumey or sugary scent, so that's good. Let's see what the next thing in here. Oh, which I don't wear, but it's nice. I can always gift these. These are the Kokie falsies. Aren't those cute? And it comes in its own little container, which is nice. I love. Yeah. Very cute. Let's see. The next thing in here is their liner. Ooh. This is their Precise Longwear Liquid Eyeliner, which I love eyeliners, especially when they're felt tip. Some people don't. I don't mind. And you know that Kokie stands for elephant, right? Yeah. I'll post either here, or the end of the video my other prior videos about Kokie. I really do love the brand. It's one of my favorites. Okay. This is how it looks. It kind of gives you the vibe of, come to think of it, Beetlejuice in a way with the stripes, but no. Let's see how it looks inside. I hear something shaking in there. That's the point. Nice and very pigmented. Look at that. Love, love, love. Love. Okay, what's next? The next thing we have here is a color correct finishing powder. Wow, okay. That's something and it comes with a little powder poof or powder puff, which is nice. I mean, I know they probably saved on money not to have the logo or the word Kokie on there, but it would have been a nice little touch. But it looks like almost like Banana Bright. Interesting. But there it is. All right. So far, so good. The next thing I see in here is, oh, what's this? This might be a lip. Is it? Let's see. This is the matte lipstick from Kokie. And I guess that's the color up there. That's really cute. Again, with the stripes. I'm not sure how to open this. I'm afraid to, because here we go. Oh, okay. So it opens like that. It's a pretty pink. I'm not going to deny that. Something I could try. And there it is. It's interesting because I get this sense that, I don't know, it sort of smells like green. I don't know if there's an ingredient in there that maybe eucalyptus or, yeah, it just has this very interesting, almost like a menthol smell. Not really sure if I'm liking the flavor of it but pretty color, look at that. Does match. I don't wear a lot of pinks on the lip, but it's cute. I just don't know about that scent. And then finally, last but certainly not least, is their Kokie blush ups. I adore their blush palette sets. This has 3 different shades in there. They have great pigmentation, I will say that. I really do enjoy it. It's been a while since I pulled out a Kokie like palette. The blush palettes, I remember their blush palettes were really good. And I'm asking myself, why did I stop using it? Maybe because once I moved, a lot of the makeup I had kind of sort of got shoved into boxes, and I don't have all my stuff out. It's in storage. So this is how it looks. So we can, oh, it's like a mauve. These are beautiful shades, I have to say. I need to find, you know what I need to find? You know what I need to find? I'm just going to do this really quick. This, and this. And let's see how it looks here. I may be running out of space on this hand, but do you see them? The light pink one, not so much, but you see, nice, very nice. I want to put it on. I really do. Let's see if I can find a blush brush in here, like some kind of fluffy brush. I don't know. Here we go. We'll try this one. We'll try the deeper one. And there's not a lot of fallout, which is nice. I should take these off, right? Yeah. Okay, that's a little dark, which is nice because I can always tone it up with some. Oh, this is gorgeous, but I don't want to have like, what do they call it? Blush blindness. But I am really liking this. It does add some color to me, considering how pale I've been. You know, I've yet to have beach weather come my way. I'm just wondering, could I use this as like a bronzer or something? Just to put some color in my face? But then I can always do this and sort of like lighten it a bit, or go in with a moistened beauty sponge and just sort of like further blend and lift any extra color off. But I would just leave it at that. It's fine. And I'll go with the lighter one across the bridge of my nose. I feel like I just got hit with a snowball. Okay, so not bad. Not bad at all. And again, there's no scent. I don't believe it's scent. But I'm loving these colors. And I may be diving into this for the next month or two. Just because, look. I am loving this. So loving this. And it feels like it's almost color coordinated in the sense of that pink that you see there. Right there. It's like, I think I have a look here. The only thing that I don't see is maybe a setting spray or maybe a moisturizing primer to go with it. But I know I do have a Kokie setting spray from a prior box that I had. So I can always spritz that and get up and go. So this is my look from the mystery box. I think this is the April mystery box from Kokie Cosmetics. What do you think of the brand? Have you tried it? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure with Kokie, and I hope to see you on my next video. Take care, stay safe, bye.